If your SHEIN verification failed, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. This is going to be a bit different because firstly, we're going to be diagnosing the problem and then trying to fix it. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The couple of basic checks that you can do is going to be your internet connection. If your internet is not working, try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Always ensure that VPN is turned off, and also try toggling on and off your airplane mode, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If that doesn't, then simply go ahead and force close your SHEIN app and then try opening it again and try to verify one more time. And if it still doesn't work, there could have been a potential update. Simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store and search for SHEIN. Then, once you've opened the SHEIN app, there is going to be an update button if there are any updates available. In my case, there's none. If none of it works, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application and try to solve that problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.